In this video, we're going to understand how to control the page margins. There's a couple of ways to control page margins. One is through the Page Layout tab, and one is through the File menu within the Print section. This is of course the same Print Preview section that we can access with the Quick Access Tool button. Now I'm going to choose to use the margin controls that are found within this Print Preview area because I want the effects of changing the margin to be immediately visible. So ordinarily you will be working with a normal margin. This is the standard margin that is found on an Excel workbook automatically when you load it. But we have a few other options. You may have a particularly temperamental printer that requires very wide margins. So you can change the margin from normal to wide. When wide margin is selected, the margins will be expanded and the contents inside those margins will be condensed or compressed. I rarely use this option. The much more popular option is to use the narrow margins. Narrow margins work effectively on most modern printers that do not require very large margins either side of the page. This effectively allows you to make even better use of the one page that you have, printing on as much of it as you can at one time.